Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with admin rights because Windows requires elevation to change drive letters. Once signed in, plug the USB and wait until the system shows it in File Explorer. Now open Disk Management by right-clicking Start or running Disk Mount. MSC, you'll see volumes and assigned letters. Look for the USB by size or label to avoid choosing the wrong disk. Make sure no active file transfers are running. If needed, close apps using that drive before you proceed with reassignment. You now change the letter. Right-click the USB volume and select Change Drive Letter and Paths. Once the dialog opens, click Change and pick an unused letter from the list. Choose one that won't conflict with network mappings or optical drives. After you confirm, Windows remaps the drive immediately. Make sure to close any folders pointing to the old letter so links don't break. Once done, open File Explorer to verify the new letter appears and test reading a file to ensure the device is accessible. To finish, confirm any system shortcuts or backup jobs referencing the old letter and update them. If something breaks, you can revert the change in Disk Management or simply reboot to clear locks. For stubborn cases, use diskpart as admin. List volume, select the USB volume, then assign letter equals Z or another unused letter to force remap. If files appear missing, run chkdsk on that letter or a recovery tool before formatting. Remember, make a backup after resolving the issue to avoid repeat problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.